This is an interactive prototype of a police use of force simulation. This simulation allows a participant to explore the consequences of their use of force decisions. The goal is to teach concepts defined by the Police Executive Research Forum. Our simulation teaches distance plus cover equals time. The first set of playthroughs are using an HTC Vive virtual reality system in room scale mode. The HTC Vive allows players to move with their feet. It also tracks the position of the participant's hands in space. This is a tutorial scene where we show the participant how to use the controls. In between each playthrough, we arrive to this green field where we ask the participants to go back to the starting position. The session begins with an officer at the cover location. The session is designed to last about a minute. The participant can walk to different locations, ask the suspect to surrender, and draw, point, fire, and lower their gun. At the end of each session, a score is displayed that ranks possible endings by the safety of the officer and the suspect. The simulation is occurring in real time, and the actions performed by the suspect are being decided by an intelligent narrative planner. The planner has 3 priorities when choosing actions. Characters should behave intentionally, that is, take actions that causally contribute to achieving their goals. Different endings should be kept available as long as possible. And the NPC should encourage the player to reveal which policies they have or have not mastered. For this small domain, we were able to pre-compile the narrative planner's decision for every possible state of the simulation to speed up decision making. The simulation can also be experienced using a keyboard and screen setup as shown here. We evaluated our simulation with 21 civilian participants who played multiple sessions using both screen and keyboard controls and virtual reality controls. Based on subjective reports and physiological measures, they experienced significantly higher presence in the VR version. Across both versions, as users played more, their scores increased and they performed better on tasks which demonstrate knowledge of the distance plus cover equals time policy. Thank you very much for reviewing our playable experience.